I found a use for the empty boxes of Quality Street that we have in our house. It's to use them as containers for fruit picking, and it's now the start of the summer, and we are picking the first crop which we traditionally get in the early summer, and that is gooseberries. The thing about gooseberries is that they are very tart. But they are packed full of pectin, so they're really good for making into jams and jellies, because you need the pectin to get the jam or the jelly to set. So what we're going to do with this batch of gooseberries that we picked now is to take them home, and we're going to make a jam, a gooseberry and rhubarb jam. Nice balance between the two, because the rhubarb would bulk up the jam, but rhubarb doesn't have any pectin in it, or virtually no pectin, so you need to add something to rhubarb to get it to set when jam making. So the gooseberries go really well with that, and therefore the two are an ideal combination. So back here in the kitchen we have 2 kilos of rhubarb. This has been rhubarb. It's been sitting in our freezer for a few months. It was an early crop for this year, and we've also got the gooseberries we picked yesterday, 2 kilos as well. Now these have been topped and tailed, and we're going to combine these together in the jam pan. As you can see, it is now a sloppy pulp, and therefore we're going to add sugar to it. So for each kilo of gooseberries and rhubarb, you need to add in a kilo of sugar. So this pan had 2 kilos of gooseberries, 2 of rhubarb, so therefore we're adding 4 kilos of sugar. So once you've added all the sugar, bring it back to the boil. As you can see, it's now come back up to the boil, so we're going to test it for the setting point. So to do that, just put a dollop on a plate, and as you can see, it's forming a bit of a skin. So that means it's now ready to go into hot, sterilised jars. I need my glasses on to see this. So there we have 20 jars of rhubarb and gooseberry jam.